What's up guys, Ahmed here. Welcome to new video. So before we get into this video, I just want to tell you something. So since I have started posting my videos on TikTok, so I have a lot of things to do, like editing videos on YouTube, editing videos on TikTok, and editing videos on Instagram. So I have a lot. Okay, so I have decided to post one video per week. So this video gonna be on Thursday. Every Thursday you will see a new video from my channel. Please keep watching and don't forget subscribe to my channel and give me likes and thumbs up. Thumbs up, it's the same thing. How dumb I am. See you soon on Thursday. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
You say now that you're thankful that your mom doesn't understand English. What was the secrets behind that? Was it the girlfriend part or
Because my wife today, it's not my girlfriend. She's another woman.
but what you said 15 years ago?
Yeah, but women always a woman. She's always jealous. Right?
It's true.
Okay, yeah.
But tell me about you. My gosh, I haven't spoken to you in like forever. How are things on your side?
Thank you so much. Actually, every time I get this question, I feel like confused because I have like not a bad memory, like a temporary memory. Actually, I forgot what I ate like yesterday.
I'm like that as well.
I don't know why, because maybe I'm getting old. I'm not sure.
Come on. Come on. Don't even play that card. That is that is not necessary.
Maybe I'm explaining my situation every time I get this question. Oh, really? I don't know what I did like yesterday or the other day. Wow, it's real hard, and I said like zoom out and remember all the things happened to me. Wow, yeah. I remember that. Yeah. Oh yeah. I just remember like the highlights.
I don't know, it's funny. Yeah, I don't know if it is an age thing, but I've started noticing that as well, that you can't remember the full day's events. You just remember like little snippets of what you did. And
Exactly. Yeah.
it's like the same, don't ask me what I did yesterday because
I don't
I
know.
have to, it's like you have like at the cinema, those big film reels. I have to
Yeah.
play back my day to try and remember what I actually did because as a whole, I have no idea.
Okay. Maybe. Do you have like this problem?
Always. It's
Okay.
it's getting
Maybe.
worse though, but yeah.
Maybe we have like a solution for this problem.
Okay.
We can set up like like cameras.
Oh God, no. There are some things I don't want to remember.
So every time you forget things, okay, I will back to my cameras to see what I did.
There are some moments in my day that
Mhm.
are least favorable than others, so I prefer not to remember those parts
Ex-
of the day.
ex- exactly, yeah. And we have a blast like forget things. Otherwise, we will like remember all these like bad things and comes into our minds every day. So we have like that blast to forget things.
Yeah, thank goodness for that, because
Yeah.
have you ever had a random memory that from years ago that just pops out of nowhere and you thought to yourself, damn, I forgot all about that, and why am I thinking about it right now? And
Yeah.
that moment you feel, oh, why did I do that? Why did I say that? It happens
Yeah,
way too often for me.
yeah, me either. Yeah, like sometimes I remember. So why I remember this like this for this time. Why I remember that? You know?
It's just I don't know. I don't know if it's something that triggers like a smell or a song, and I have that. I actually had that just yesterday. I think
Mm.
I was taking down my Christmas decorations, and
Uh-huh.
you know the tinsel that you put along the trees. It I know you might never have smelt tinsel before, but it has a very unique smell. And when I was busy moving it around, just this,
Yeah.
but it has a very unique smell. And when I was my tree yesterday, I just got this whiff of tinsel smell, and I
But
just
why
had I
why it
don't
has a smell? Why it has a
I
smell? It's
don't
like
know. It's the material I think that it's made from. I don't know if it's plastic. I don't know what it's actually made from, but it's the material.
yeah.
And I just had this memory of when I
Uh-huh.
used to have Christmas at my aunt's house when I was a child.
Yeah.
And I was like, just so,
You
wow.
remembered all these stuff.
I haven't thought about it in years, but the smell
Yeah.
of tinsel just triggered it. And
Exactly. Yeah.
it's funny. It's funny how we have those little triggers that reminds you of something that you haven't thought about in a very long time that you actually forgot that you
Yeah.
remembered.
Maybe like a song remembered you with something in the past, or maybe a food, or a certain a certain things, or sometimes you you remember, or from a word,
Yeah,
right? You remember, wow. And you will still like uh, keep your sighting into to the ceiling. Oh wow, yeah.
good times, good
And
times.
good, and yeah, and you have like, wow, the time is passing quickly.
It's true. Is there any song or has anything happened like that to you recently that just something just triggered a memory that you totally forgot about?
Yeah, the other day I was browsing TikTok videos, and I saw I wanted that this song I wanted that way by Backstreet Boys. Okay, do you remember it?
Oh yes. It
Okay, yeah.
oh
And
yes.
I remembered all these things, like, oh, I was doing like them, wearing that like them, and dancing like them. Wow.
The same jackets, the same hairstyle,
Yeah,
everything.
yeah. I did like the hairstyle of like AJ, and you know AJ is the
He
member
was
of Backstreet
he was
Boys.
my favorite.
We have something in common, yeah. He's the craziest one in
Yeah, that
the
I
in
think
the in
that's
the band.
I think that was kind of the appeal, the rest of the guys, they were all very, how can I say, clean shaved, the good hair, and
Yeah.
he was just piercings and tattoos and sunglasses even at night. It's like, oh, you are
And
interesting. I like you.
yeah, and his beard, yes, sunglasses, and his hairstyle. It's completely different from the whole band.
That's true. That's true. There's always that one member in a band that is slightly edgy, that's slightly different. But that's always the one that people like, or the
Eh,
guys like, the girls like. Oh my God, so
yeah, he gets the attention of the people. Yeah.
exactly, exactly. Ah, goodness. Now, so that triggered a good memory. Have you ever had a situation where a song or a food triggered a memory
Yeah.
you
Let me
wanted
tell
to
let,
forget.
let me tell a secret, but it's a secret, okay? Thank God my wife doesn't speak English, so she will not understand anything.
Oh, this is going to be interesting. I'm curious for this
Like,
now.
yeah, my girlfriend, like 15 years ago, she sent me like a song, and she said like, "This is my favorite song, and you have to listen to it." So I told her it's okay. So the song was like it start with like summer, okay. I it was like a band actually of three members,
Okay.
and I like we broke up like a long time ago, but every time I listen to this song, oh my gosh, I remember all these things. My girlfriend, like the minutes that I I had with her. So wow,
It's
I yeah.
yes, yes. So, but why did
Thank God you understood me.
oh my goodness, sometimes uh,
Especially when it gets like with the memory. This memory stick with my mind.
never tell her about that song.
Yeah, exactly.
If the song ever comes up on a radio, she's like, "Oh, this is a nice song." Eh, yeah, no,
Yeah, yeah.
it's all right.
I had this before. I had this before, and she was sat beside me. But I mean, my wife, and it came like into the radio. Oh my gosh, I don't like this song. Okay, let me change the channel. Why? This is like a good song. No, no. Let me change the channel.
When it came out, they overplayed it. I don't like the artist.